Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll take a look at accounting and bookkeeping services for manufacturing industry. We'll cover these few topics in this video. We'll start with cost of goods sold, inventory management, account payable and receivable, depreciation and amortization, overhead cost, work orders and production records, variance analysis, quality control cost, payrolls and labor cost, and tax compliance. So let's start with cost of goods sold. In cost of goods sold, you need to track the cost of the materials and labors and their overhead prices directly that are associated with the production of the goods. So this will help you to determine the cost of producing each unit and evaluate your overall profitability. In inventory management, you need to track your raw materials and your work in progress and the finished goods you have. And also make sure that you do accurate inventory counts and do valuation to prevent overstatements or overstatements of your assets. Account payable and receivable. In this, you need to monitor your accounts payable to ensure that you pay timely to your suppliers. And also in account receivable, you need to track that your customers are paying you timely and there is no any pending payments are left. Efficient management of this account will help you to make better cash flow. Depreciation and amortization. In this, the account for the depreciation of manufacturing equipments and do amortization for the intangible assets. This will affect the cost of your goods sold and your overall profitability. Overhead cost. Overhead cost, you need to allocate and track the indirect costs like rent, your utilities, and if you are having any administrative expenses. And also you need to track you need to record them all and you need to determine the impact on the cost structure of your business. Work orders and production records. You will need to maintain a detailed record for the work orders like your production, your schedules, job cost to monitor your production efficiency. Variance analysis. In variance analysis, you need to compare your actual cost to the budgeted cost to find if there is any error or not. Variance highlights the areas of your cost saving and the process that need to be improved. Quality control cost. In this, you need to track your expenses related to the quality control process to ensure that your products meet the required standards. Now, payroll and labor cost. In this, you need to properly allocate your labor costs to specify your production activities and also track their overtime, their benefits, and if they are having any payrolls or perks, you need to record them all. In tax compliance, you need to stay updated on the tax regulations specific to the industry. So this will help you to this will help you to be updated on what the new tax regulations are specific to your industry, and this will include some incentives and the deductions. Every industry has some key performance indicator to measure the track success and performance of the particular industry. So let's see some of the key performance indicator of the manufacturing industry. Let's start with the overall equipment effectiveness indicator. This measures the efficiency of the manufacturing equipment and the machinery you are having. This will include the factors as availability of your performance and the quality you are giving. Inventory turnover indicator calculates how many times your inventory is being sold during a specific period of time. So let's talk about production yield. In production yield indicator, this indicator will measure the percentage of the good quality products produced and compared to the total outcome. Labor productivity indicator. This indicator will monitor the output of your labor per hour or the gauge the efficiency of your workforce. Lead time. Lead time tracks the time it takes to convert your raw material into a finished goods. Reducing lead time can enhance your customer satisfaction and can reduce your holding costs. Scrap and rework rates. Scrap and rework rate indicator measures the amount of your waste generated from your manufacturing process, and this will also help you to identify if there is any area that are need for improvement. On-time delivery. On-time delivery indicator measures the percentage of your orders that are delivered to customers on time. This is very crucial when it comes to customer satisfaction. Return on investment indicator. This indicator evaluates the profitability of your investment in new equipments or technology, or if you are having some new process. Cost per unit indicator. This will calculate the cost to produce your each unit. This will help you to take pricing decisions, and this can also help you to do cost controls. Energy efficiency indicator. This will monitor the energy consumption and seek ways to reduce, if can reduce your energy consumptions. So that was all for the accounting and bookkeeping for manufacturing industry. I will see you in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.